guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just got back to my dorm. I had a really nice weekend. I went to my first symphony. They had a it was a really nice one, to a beautiful theater, which it was in my city. Didn't even know it was a theater. It was a they did the Jurassic Park symphony. So it was like they played the movie and they did the sound, like the soundtrack of like the entire movie. It was so beautiful. I'll put up pictures of like what it looked like, but it was so nice and I had a really good time. I definitely overdressed because I'm like, people just not get dressed up for stuff? I don't understand that. That's why I need to go to like London or something, because that's where I belong, y'all. I was definitely overdressed. It was funny, but I look really nice. I wouldn't wear a dress or not. You know me and my blazers. But people just don't know how to dress for like nice stuff. I was just looking around. I was like, I'm so disappointed, but I still had a good time. So also my hair, y'all see this black is coming through. Oh my God. So I'm really nervous because I leave for Canada next Monday. We're going on our road trip next Monday. My hair just has to last one more week, okay, without me messing with it. I'm not cutting it, which I can easily cut it because I got my clippers, which I actually might. Oh no, I'm gonna cut it probably the day. I said I'm gonna cut it today, but the day before we leave, because I want to do my hair at the end. It just looked frosted, which is okay, but I'm nervous because this grows out so fast. So y'all don't know how bad I want to bleach my hair right now, but I can't. I cannot bleach it. So this is it right now. When the time comes, we're going to handle the hair. So I'm not mad about it. But today we are going to be doing a makeup tutorial. I'm trying to get these makeup tutorials out the way. Just keep putting more on because it gives me content before I leave. Also, my clothes came, which I would not be doing a haul here because I left my stuff at home. I didn't want to, you know, it would have been good to do a clothing haul for like my clothes, because first of all, this stuff got here so fast. I was so surprised, y'all. I ordered my clothes like 3 days before it came, and I was like, do they got like warehouses here or something? That don't make no sense. But I did look at all my stuff, and it's so pretty. So I didn't want to like get all my stuff and then bring it back here. I just think that's crazy. So if I do a haul, it'll probably be when I get back home this weekend. So we'll see. Also, I got luggage. I got a cute little tote. I can't wait for y'all to see this. So pretty. But anyways, let's get into this makeup tutorial because we're going to be doing some purple today, guys. So we're going to first moisturize our face. Y'all, right before I like left to come back down here from home, my cat, I tried to hug my cat goodbye. I did not. Like, my cat rude. She got fur all over my little Steve Jobs sweater. I really been trying to, what's it called, summon my inner Steve Jobs because I want to be successful like him. So I've been like wearing my black sweater all weekend. I don't know why I can't take it off. I really like just want to be inspired. And my mom keep calling me him. She was like, okay, Steve. I accept the compliment, okay? Because I'm always trying to come up with businesses ideas. So I'm like, I need to channel the inner successfulness of his mind. That man was beyond successful. So we are gonna first do eyebrows, y'all. We're doing eyebrows today. It's funny because I didn't even do eyebrows this weekend. I did like a cute look, real quick look for the symphony, but I didn't do my makeup. No, I did do my makeup. I just didn't do my eyebrows. Got many compliments though. It was one lady who complimented my look and my hair, and it was kind of funny. I'm not being judgmental when I say this, okay? But she was a white lady, and she said she wished she could do her hair like this. And I was like, okay, but you can't. You can cut your hair, but it's like, it's not, you know, different textures. That's what I think about, different textures. We got different textures here. You can't do it like this, but you can shave your hair if you want. Be confident, go for it. I'm all for people who want to shave their hair. It gives you a confidence boost. Maybe that's what it is. Because I always find it interesting when people who have like really pretty long hair cut all their hair off. And then it's like, you just find your confidence, and I love it. So y'all know me, I use my BH Cosmetics palettes. I'm going to use my light brown eyebrow powder, and we're just going to fill them in. Which I'm most likely going to speed this video up because y'all know how my eyebrows be looking. Okay guys, I finished my eyebrows. Now I'm going to go in. I also got another shirt because this eyeshadow probably most likely is going to like fall. I didn't want to get it on my shirt. So I'm using my 35M palette. This is one of my favorites. And I'm going to be using these parts. I don't know why they hit me, but this right here, the purple. So I'm going to take the purple. I'm using a dark purple. It's not that dark. You guys can see that. I'm trying to... I'm just going to put this on both of my lids. Now I'm gonna blend. So y'all, my blending always take a long time. That's why I speed these videos up. Ain't nobody got time to be just sitting through here watching me blend for like 20 minutes. It ain't take that long. But y'all, while I was doing my videos, I'm like, people keep driving by. And I'm like, where y'all going? Church was open like 4 hours ago. Is it me? Maybe it's because I don't go to church. I'm a heathen anyway, so maybe that's the problem. Maybe that's why I think like that. Okay, guys, now that we finished this, I am going to take another brush. And I'm going to go in with this. I'm trying to see. Let me show you guys something. I'm going to show you guys the two purples. It's like 3 different purples. These are the 3. So this took a little bit, y'all. It took a while because I ended up putting concealer on top of my eye to get that shimmer to stick, because it was not sticking. You can't just put it on like your regular eye. Even though I got concealer on it, I had eyeshadow on it already. So I'm going to talk about it in the video, but I still had to like ended up putting concealer on it and then redoing it. Y'all, it just took a while, but I ended up getting it. Trial and error. That's all it is. That's basically what makeup is. So don't worry about it if you mess up. Concealer makes it brighter and it makes it stick. Okay, guys, so I finally finished it. I'm trying to clean this makeup off my hands, so I'm going to tell you guys what I did because I ended up changing it. I used I just mixed 2 of the purples. I mixed this one and this one, the shimmers. And I put concealer, I did my base with the dark purple, and I did a concealer on the corner to get it brighter right here. So concealer works. At first I wasn't going to use it, but I was like, the eyeshadow, it kept falling because it's like loose shimmer shadow, so definitely use concealer if you do that. It also, because it kind of makes a crease depending on how you want it. So yeah, made it so much better. I definitely recommend concealer. So now we can start this face. I actually need to do my eyeliner before we can start our face. So I'm going to use my liquid liner. I'm going to do our eyeliner, guys. Okay, y'all, now that we got the eyeliner on, it's still drying, but I'm going to try to be careful with this to try not to like close my eyes too much because I don't want it to mess up. So now we can start our face. I'm going to go with my foundation. It's funny because I'm trying not to look down, but at the same time, I'm like trying to figure out everything. Y'all, so I'm doing voiceover right now because it sounds like a freaking monster truck rally with these cars outside. I'm doing my foundation. I use the 355 Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'm just blending it everywhere. If you do concealer on top of your eyes, make sure blend it in. But if you don't, I always go over with my foundation just because I only do it on the bottom. And you want it to match. And it's just to clean it up. That's the whole point, to clean it up so it all looks together. Okay, y'all. Now we're going to get in. We're going to do our concealer. I'm using my Toffee and Fun. I've tried other colors. It's just that like these are my colors, like a little lighter and a little more tanner than I am. And so this is what I use. I don't want it to be too light under it. That's why I try to go with something close to my skin tone. I don't want it to look white under my eyes. I'm not into that. Cause sometimes a lot of people do theirs and they look really light for their skin color. I try to just make it a little more natural, just cover up everything. And I use my concealer because I have under my eyes, like I use concealer because I have dark under eyes, which I'm trying to like take products for, but that's what I'm covering up. Okay, guys, so I finished blending and we are ready to go. Let's finish this face. I'm gonna powder my face so I can set this concealer. Okay. I really gotta get a black eyeliner pencil because I really want to do like black under my eyes, and I'm not doing it with eyeshadow because that stuff will get everywhere. So I plan soon. Whenever I go to like the beauty store, hair store, wherever, I'm going to get a eyeliner brush, like a regular black eyeliner, because I really want to like line under my eyes, just black. Well, in the water, the water line. Now I'm going to contour the outsides of my face. If I can find my contour palette. I swear I misplaced. Oh, it's funny because you think you misplace everything, but it's right in your face. Maybe I'm getting old. 25 is coming up too fast for me. So I'm going to use the darken contour the outsides of my face. So now I'm just doing my blush, guys. My blush and highlighter. I've used my Glow and Grease palette. I got it from BH Cosmetics. I absolutely love it. It's flawless. And I'm just doing my highlighter or trying to, y'all. I'm not the best with highlighter. I be putting it on there and I was like, you know what? It looked good. That's all that matters. But I be trying to make it work. But that's the whole point. So now we're done with that. I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna do the corners of my eyes. I need some highlighter. Okay guys, so now we're finished with everything. I'm gonna set my face, do my mascara, put on lashes. I guess we weren't done, but you guys will see the finished look after this. And this is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys like it. I absolutely love it. The purple is perfect. It's not too bright, it's not too dark, it's like subtle. I added the shimmer purple just to give it more glam, and that's why I did the corner. They also glam it up. You could do more by adding jewels to it. I add jewels to my eyes sometimes. I just didn't want to do it to this guy. I think this is like okay. Didn't want to do too much. So I did my mascara, lashes, set my face, earrings, and we are ready and we are done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at @IamTatyana. Also follow my makeup page where I'll be posting this look, Makeup with Tatyana. I'm also posting it on my regular page. Also, follow my blog at Brown Skin Girl. I'm about to get through posting more, guys. I got a lot of stuff to do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye. Also, I'm so freaking tired of these cars, y'all. Y'all don't understand. It's like a lot go on because my window is like facing the street. I be trying to do my makeup, and you know what? I need to move. I'm getting a different door next semester, I swear to God. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.